Hey everyone, my name is Robert with Tip Top Garage Doors. Today we're going to troubleshoot sensors. With the remote, I'm going to open the garage door. You can see that it's going up. Now we're going to try and close it. And we're also going to try the wall button. You can see your opener is still blinking. More than likely that would be your sensors. So we're going to come over here and check our sensors, which are located down here in the corner on the track. Over here, your sensors, they have a light in front of them. If your light is off, more than likely your sensor is out of alignment. This light is on, so this one's good. So let's check the other one over here. I'm sure it's hard to see, but the light is off. So you just need to line it up until the light comes back on. Okay, it's on. Now we're going to try to close the door. Now the door closes. Thank you for watching our video.